I'm Crystal, and I live with my husband Alex and our cat Riley. Despite living with lupus, I try to enjoy life to its fullest. So come share in life's big and little moments with me. In my shoes. It's hard to see, but there it is. Snow's coming down pretty hard, and it is piling up quick out there. If the walkway isn't too deep, I'm considering taking Jeremy out there this afternoon in his snowsuit, because it would just be something different to do, but we'll see. But yeah, it's really pretty. I mean, it really is pretty, but I don't think it's going to be a fun drive home for Alex today. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this quick little lupus vlog, and I will see you in the next video.